Left the TV on the channel I want to watch. Me need the battery them out of the remote.
But mommy, me I watch TV.
Juba, me say give me the battery them out of the remote. Thank you. Sure.
You let this happen. And where did all this Chinese food come from?
Jesus Christ.
Mommy, alright.
Juba, what I tell you about coming in my room and announce, Juba?
Oh, what a nice day. Me I hear. It sound like a barber shop you're running here.
Me dey line up my eyebrow them, Juba. Me dey line up my eyebrow them. Yeah.
So come you never line up me yet. You can line me up, mommy.
No, that is a father job. Come out of my room and go to yours.
Alright.
Sure. One man.
Hold on there. How would I smell there?
What kind of smell that about? Me new cherry blossom candle?
That not smell like no cherry blossom.
What it smell like then?
That smell like when you cook fish.
What you?
Mommy, I eat fish and you hide from